Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, if you cannot already tell by the title, I'm coming at y'all with a brow tutorial. Now, I am someone who does not like long intros, so let's get right into this video. This is the eyebrow pencil that I'm going to be using today. I actually buy it off of Shein for just $1. It's in the shade number 1, which is pretty much just black. Now, I buy this eyebrow pencil because I genuinely love it, not because it's $1. But yeah, get your hands on it. Now we're going to be pinning our hair back just to kind of keep the hair out of our way. And this is the tip of the brow pencil. It's very small and precise, which I love. So what I do when I do my eyebrows, I basically literally just do like hair strokes. You just kind of do little hair strokes on top of your natural brow and just kind of like shape it the way you want it to look. And anywhere where you see little gaps, you're going to fill in the gaps. Also, I would say try to apply less pressure when you get closer to the front of your brow, like closest to your inner corner, because it just looks more natural that way. And like avoid shading in your eyebrow, just do little hair strokes. Also, do not worry about it being perfect. We're going to clean it up with concealer anyways, so don't worry about it being a little sloppy. Now we are going to clean up the eyebrows with concealer. The type of brush I like to use when I shape my eyebrows is a pointed brush for the bottom because I feel like you can really get in the creases with a pointed brush. And I use the Pro Concealer. It's my absolute favorite concealer. Now, I will say, you guys, it takes a long time to perfect any type of makeup look, whether it be eyebrows, learning how to put on lashes, or do eyeshadow. Practice makes perfect, so just continue to practice and eventually you will have your desired eyebrow shape. Also, I like to use a flat brush to blend my concealer, or sometimes I'll use my fingers if the brush isn't doing enough. But yeah, you're just going to want to blend that out. Then you're going to use the same brush you used to blend out your concealer to do the top of your eyebrow shape. I like using a flat brush to do the top of my eyebrow because I don't know, I feel like it just goes by much smoother. So I use a pointed brush for the bottom and a flat brush for the top. Now, I like to clean up my eyebrows with a Q-tip, or AIT, I guess you could call it, the pointed Q-tips, just to get rid of any excess concealer. I feel like it just gives you much more of a smooth finish. This is how I do my eyebrows every day. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know if you want more videos like these. Don't mind me just making my thumbnail, but we reached the end of the video, you guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.